It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin'.
Hey Dripcess friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to my new subscribers. Welcome. I'm Drip Princess and I upload fashion and lifestyle content.
Too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around the time. I'm this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little fire, she's been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she can shred. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get mad. Too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around the time. I'm this way, doing.
As you can see by the title, this is going to be like a spring maintenance vlog, just another spring vlog, okay? Today is April 14th. It's a Sunday. I'm about to go to church. After I have to run to Marshall's, I have to get me a white dress because I thought I had one. I do have a white dress, but it's a bodycon. But I want a white flowy dress because of the activity that we're going to be doing, that I'm going to be doing. I don't know who I'm doing it with yet. I did buy the tickets. I bought me a ticket, and then if my sister wants to come, she'll come, but she said she's tired. And if my sister don't want to come, then probably my boyfriend. And then yeah, so yeah, I don't know who's coming, but I just know that I'm going. It's like a flower picking, seeing beautiful flowers. I love me some flowers, seeing some tulips and just everything. It's gonna be so pretty, and y'all know I'm gonna want some pictures. That's why I got my band on right now. We gotta make sure that wig is laid down. I'm really excited. And so if you're excited just like me, make sure you like this video, and if you're not already, make sure you subscribe and have your post notifications on. So we at Marshall's and I'm about to try on my dress. I'm with Dara. She's coming with me to the flowers thing. Too excited. Yeah, so I'm about to try on my dress, y'all.
When she get excited, it makes me regret that I even came with her. She don't know how to act.
So I know I look a little crazy right now because we literally like running places before we go to the flower thing. I picked up the dress. It looks so cute on me, y'all. Dara, she bought like wand curls, or I think that's what it's called. She bought that. So yeah, we just running little errands because we finna take some pictures, so we need to make sure we have everything when we get home. Finna do my hair, do all of that, get ready, and I'm just so excited. Like, this is so exciting. Okay, yeah. Hey y'all, this video is going to be featuring my twin. You're gonna have her at down. We got Tyra in the cut over here too. Hi, Shamber Beautiful and I. We're about to go, what is it called? Flower?
We're about to go to a flower garden at Johnson's Farm.
And we're going to be picking what are you doing? We're going to be picking tulips. We're going to be taking pictures. This is so exciting. I'm really excited.
I hope you're using stuff before you fly in your hair.
What you mean, like use what?
Because if you don't use some, you're going to burn your hair.
Oh my God. 12:39. We're about to get ready now. We're about to do our hair. We're about to do our makeup. We're about to get dressed. Y'all, this is me dressed. It looks super cute. We're about to head out. It's like 1:41. We're supposed to be there by like 2 something. Yeah, so we need to go now. I'm in the car now. I'm also recording for like my Instagram reels and TikTok, so if you don't follow me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram. You'll see more of the behind the scenes, because this is really not like a get ready with me or none of that. This is like a spring maintenance, but another spring vlog. But my dress is so cute, y'all. I'm just waiting for Dara right now. We're late, like it's 1:45. Hopefully they still accept us, cross fingers. And yeah, so we about to go.
Like you, this ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand.
So we're out here. My hair is messed up because of the wind. The flowers look so beautiful. My pictures are they're not coming out good. My pictures are coming out good. I'm sorry. The sun is not here. Okay, maybe we should go this way. Y'all, like, that is dark. Like, it's not even summertime yet.
I'm not taking no pictures in the summertime. I'm sorry. That's why y'all better enjoy this springtime because
Like
we didn't even put no sunscreen on.
My hair is flowing, y'all. Hey y'all, so I'm driving now. As you can see,
This is not safe. Go ahead.
as you can see, we're not at the tulip picking up tulips. I got some tulips, y'all. I wasn't just going there just for pictures. I mean, pictures came, you know, but y'all know I genuinely do love flowers. Even though roses are my favorite flowers, and everything like that. But I picked up some really cute tulips. Dara picked them up so wrong. Like Dara just was pulling, like just pulling from the top.
I didn't want to get my hands dirty.
But I had so much fun, y'all. Now we're about to be on our way to where, Dara?
Alta.
After Alta, I don't really think, well, actually, I do need to get something from Alta. And I pray that's the only thing I walk out of there with.
Because Alta got that sale, y'all.
We'll see y'all when we go to Alta.
Bye!
Y'all, hey y'all, so we came out of Alta and I only paid $1 for my stuff because we had points, and Dara, she paid $16. We had points, we split the points though. And now we're going to TJ Maxx. And yeah, this phone is about to die, so I'm gonna put it on later to die. Today's the next day. It's currently 7:53. I didn't show y'all what I got yesterday. I only got 2 things, but I still want to show y'all what I got. Ulta, I just got my eyeliner because I'm running out of this. I'm not running out of anything else. Like, I literally not too long ago bought more of my concealer. So I didn't need to get more of that at all. Gonna wait. Then from TJ Maxx, y'all, if y'all watched my other spring vlog, if y'all watched that vlog, y'all know I was looking for the bracelet. I don't know, I just saw it on TikTok, but you know, I found it. Like, look how cute it is. Like, it's so cute. What I'm about to do now, I'm about to get ready, take a shower, everything like that. We're gonna go take some pictures, and then I do work at 5:30. And yeah, but this week, y'all, I think the 19th I get my nails done. Yeah, the 19th I get my nails done, and then the 20th I get my hair done. I'm all dressed. Like, my outfit is too cute. This is me outfit. It's so cute. Like, it's just a Juicy Couture set, and then I put the little hair clips on the side and stuff, and I'm wearing my pink fur bag with it. Like, it's giving, like, I don't know, it's just super cute. And then my hair goes with it too. I'm about to go out to take some pictures, and then, well, I'm gonna do TikToks first here. And yeah, like, it's giving. So I just got done taking my pictures, and I ordered me a cheesesteak. I work at 5:30 and it's like 12 something right now. My pictures came out so cute, y'all. Like, they came out bomb. I'm about to head to Wawa and then head to my boyfriend's house, and then after that, work. But the next time I'll probably see y'all is the day of my nail appointment or the day of my hair appointment. And yeah, but I really hope y'all are enjoying this video so far. I couldn't see my screen, but now I can see. My nails are done. Like, get into my nails. Get into my nails. Like, why is it not focusing? Like, how cute are they? I have my braids underneath here. I'm gonna take them out. I took my wig off while I was at my boyfriend's house also. So, yeah. I just took the wig off, y'all. Like, I took it off while we was watching the movie, because I was like, when I get home, I'm about to be tired. But the pink era is gone. And yeah, like my nails are too cute. I'm about to change my belly ring piercing to my cherry one to match my nails. And yeah, but my hair appointment is tomorrow. Yada yada. I'm too excited. My nails came out cute. And thank you to my nail tech. I love my nail tech real bad. I love her real bad. She make all my visions come true when it comes to my nails. Like cute. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow for my hair appointment. So your girl just got out of her hair appointment. Okay, we went back to the red. Like, look at this, like red 30-inch side part bust down. Yeah, nails looking cute as always. Like, I'm trying to focus. Why is it not focusing? Okay, yeah, it better focus. Yeah, it better focus. That will be the end of this video, y'all. I really hope y'all enjoyed this maintenance vlog plus a little spring vlog too mixed in with it. Yeah, I really hope y'all enjoyed. Please make sure you okay? Please make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel, have your post notifications on, and like this video. And I see you in the next YouTube video.